Hi guys, this is Jeanette coming to you live from Walnut Creek Drive at 214 North Walnut Creek Drive. This is my place where I'm at the store. It's called the Blissful Zen Day Spa. Here it is. I'm on the left side, okay? And as you get closer, this is my side where all my stuff is displayed. You can see here that that's my jewelry and it's open. And you come in, you're VIP always. These are the store hours, okay? We go in, here it is. Beautiful place. As soon as you come in, you hear the calmness. Okay, so we go right here and boom, this is where I'm at. So she has her sign out there, Blissful Zen Day Spa store. Okay, and my stuff right now, it's on here. Look at that. Let's have a look-see. Look at all this. Wow. Okay, beautiful. Everything here is $5. Okay. These are my personalized custom-made clocks. You design it, you dream it, and I make it. Okay, my vase that I make, whatever color you want. As you can see, I've showed this one before. I made it of roses. These are my beautiful, fabulous necklaces. This one is the wolf. These are my sister series. This one is blue, purple, and green. As you can see, she changes colors. Here are my little cute owl candles that we just have for sale. They're 2 for $5. My sister candles are $10 each. This is a beautiful blue. Look at that blue, a pearl blue. More candles. Now look who's here saying hi, Nemo. Hi, Nemo. This is a clock that I made just for me because I love it. And that's how I can do for you too. You name it, and like I said, I make it. These are candles, more right there. More candles, my owls. Here is, she is in beautiful green. Look at that. Isn't she marvelous? This is a cross necklace. I make those. Here is my blue vase. These are $15. Look how beautiful they are. Okay, then we go down here and we see Miss Thang over here in her bridal gown, getting ready for a massage. Look at the jewelry she has on. Those are $5. So you're looking at $5 for that, and it's turquoise blue. Look how beautiful that is. She is sparkling beautiful. Okay, then we have my table. Look at this table. It is just full of positive and encouraging words. Brave, warrior, trust, and love. And look at that. All have themes on it. Here's all my earrings, my beautiful faithful bags with all of them faith. You gotta have faith, pray. And here we go. With God, all things are possible. Yes, yes, yes. And then I have my whales. And this is my little Puerto Rico sandal keychains. I have keychains. There are my cards, my bracelets, my earrings. Look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? All my jewelry is $5. My coasters, I make pictures in them. So whatever you want, if you want to sing, I could put that. Or I can put pictures in it. These are my necklaces. I can, positive, encouraging. This is my beautiful creations of the heart and what I do. I posted this on my page. This is my crosses. I have my sister candles here, garlic pear cider. Okay, and you go around here and you have bracelets, more earrings, and then you have my beautiful coasters that I make. Okay, these are beautiful. I paint it myself. Okay, so absolutely, these are my earrings, keychains, and there it is. Then you go on this side, and of course I already showed you that. So this is the beautiful place that I'm at now. You'll see my logo in the window, and I just want you to take all this in. Look how beautiful this is. So why don't you come on by and get a beautiful massage, okay? Because while she does massages, she also makes products. She has these beautiful products up here. This one is for the face. You only need a couple of drops and your wrinkles will go away. I mean, she is literally, it hydrates your skin so much and it smells so good. Those are rose petals in there, and she has different type of seasoning, but she does all of this. And then she has her gels, lip balms. Okay, then she has her exfoliates, which is coffee. This is my favorite one. This is the coffee one, and you use it in your face and it's wonderful. It helps take all that dead skin off your face. So yes, this is her spa. Okay, and as soon as she comes in, you know, she has some beautiful things. So please come on by, and remember, we're here to serve you, and we're here 9 to 5 Monday through Saturday. I will be on my vending events on Saturday, but I'm here Monday through Friday. Okay, so please come on by and just bless us with your presence. And at the same time, hey, you never know, you might see something you like, and this is all that I do. Okay, so God bless you. I love you, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.